Hey, today no devlog from my side, as I'm in the middle of creating more graphics, trees and grass and so on. So I cannot show any progress in the game, even though I made a lot of new objects. What I want to show you is one tool I use in my workflow for designing the trees. It's Treeit from Evolved Software. And with this tool, it's easy to create 3D trees. And also you can render directly out of the tool textures, which you can use in your 2D games. Best thing is it's free and you're allowed to use it in any engine and any project without any copyright topics. So let's jump directly into the tool. Always when you open the tool, you will see this lone trunk just swinging in the wind. But there's a great option. You can choose from already preset defined trees, which are a good set of different trees, where you can start. And one thing which is great, it already has the textures, so you don't need to take care about textures and getting all of the graphic elements. It's already there. And you see, this is the base tree, which is designed by the owner of the software, and it's already a nice looking tree. But you can define with a lot of options the design of the tree. For example, you can increase the count of the trunks, which is not looking too great in the beginning, but now we can make a little bit of changes there. So for example, we can go for a trunk split, and you see already it's getting more interesting. So let's increase the count of the branch and also the branchlets. Okay. Then what I always want to do is increase the length minimum a little bit and the length maximum. Okay, then bend. So you see it's very easy to just change the overall look of the tree. Okay, and it's increase, yes. So then you can also add roots, which I usually just crank down a little bit. Where's the slider? Bend. And make it smaller. And a lot bigger, because then it's looking more like it's going into the earth. Okay, and the most interesting part for me is I want to have more leaves to get the tree really in a nice looking shape. And especially as I use all of this trees at the moment in Flame of ZaZuaZ, a 2D game, I don't need to take care about the poly count, so I can really increase the count a lot. And there are already in the base tree 2 types of leaves added to get more diverse looking tree. I usually just let most sliders in the leaves as they are in base, but the position I change usually. Okay, and same for the second one. Okay, so here we go. We have a nice looking tree. And the really great thing of this software is you can now just randomize, going to different seeds and get a lot of different looking trees. So you design one tree and get plenty different versions of it. If you find a nice seed which you like, but there is something you don't like, you can even edit the joints of the tree. For example, this middle trunk is just going right straight into the air. I don't like this. I want to have also a little bit more side effect. not length. Therefore we can change the angle. Exactly. And then make also a shape as we like it. Yeah, and now it's looking better. Great. Yeah, I like it. That's looking good. Okay, and now depending of what you want to do, you can either try to get a good directional picture or switch to front picture, which I in the most cases use. And just directly put a screenshot. It's by render to texture. With clicking to auto, it's just focusing down to the tree. And you can save it in different dimensions. Okay, and next one, we want to have also a normal map, which is possible in this tool by changing the vertex colors here on the right side from wind vertex colors to normal vertex colors. And then making a switch to vertex colors. And you see we have a normal map. And also this we can render to a texture. Great, so now we finished the first tree. Let's have a look how it's looking in Godot. For this I prepared a test scene just showing the new tree. It contains a sprite, which is also visible already. And as you can see, as soon as we add the texture and the normal map, it's just showing more or less the texture. Because the normal map only will have an effect if we have a light source. As you can see now, there is already a shining effect from the light source. But the best output you can get when you also have a canvas modulate, transforming the whole image to a darker look. And here you go. This is the new tree. Just designed now. Really nice looking. So hopefully this is also something you can use in your workflow. I will put a link to the tree tool on the Evolved Software site into the description of this video. Thank you for watching and hopefully see you next time in one of the next devlogs. Bye!